So guys, in this video we are going to quickly show us how to swap between tokens, that is to swap between BUSD and BNB. So in this case we actually want to swap our BUSD for BNB. Alright, so I'm going to click on this section of my metamask. Alright, so this shows me my wallet, and if I want to eventually swap, I'll quickly hit on what to trade. So I'll go close this now and hit on wallet. So what I want to swap eventually is my BUSD. So I'm going to load new tokens and hope that BUSD comes up. So this is BUSD. So that's what we are going to be swapping. So I hit back on the wallet. We've actually made a video on how to use Poocoin on Trustwallet. Go ahead to watch that video up there now. So hitting on trade, alright, what I want to do is to swap between BUSD and BNB. Then eventually send the token out to metamask. So hitting on trade. So hitting on trade, it should bring up this for me. So I'm going to select the token I want to swap to. So once BUSD is selected, I hit on the down arrow to switch between the screen. So I hit on that arrow to switch, then I hit on max. I'm actually sending out everything from BUSD to BNB. Then I hit on approve BUSD. So the transaction is carried out, and that's our network fee. So hit on approve. So within the last 24 hours, there has been a lot of green in the market, and anybody that has bought low should be in massive profits by now. So whatever we do here is not financial advice, so make sure you always do your own due diligence research. Alright, so once it's approved, we go ahead to swap. So it must be approved before we go ahead to swap. So notice that the swap button is now active, so I can now go ahead to swap. Smart contract call. So anytime you want to swap, there's always a smart contract call. So I'm just gonna approve this. Alright, so once it's approved, then we are good to go. So that is exactly how to swap coins in your Poocoin on Trust Wallet. Alright, hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also like and share this video. Support this channel by smashing the subscribe button right away to get more crypto related content like this. Peace out.